Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to use Lyft Pass on your Lyft application. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in a Lyft application on my phone, and this is how it looks like once you open the app. So first thing that you're gonna see is update location services. If you're not turning on your location, Lyft needs your exact location to find nearby rides. You can either choose turn on precise location, or you can choose enter a pickup location. Right here in the top left corner, you're gonna find this icon. If you go ahead and click on it, you're gonna find firstly your profile right here. You can click on view profile, and right here in account settings, you're gonna find your infos, business profile, family, my riders, and linked accounts. And if you go back right here, you can click on payments, and then right here, you're going to find firstly your balance on your Lyft Cash. And you can also click on add to cash if you want to add cash to your Lyft Cash. So you need to find the store, then share your code and add at least $30. So right now, if you want to add Lyft Pass, right here under payments methods, you're going to find Lyft Pass. You can click on add Lyft Pass like this. And then all you need to do, guys, is enter the code your organization provided to add your pass. So just click right here, enter the code, and then click on add pass in the bottom. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.